Hi guys, I am Rihas and I am indeed real. And in today's video, I'm gonna be telling you about the best art style ever. Last night I was experimenting with this art style and man do I love it. I wanna teach you all just how cool it looks. See the text over here? That's the thing. This is the best art style ever, man. Let me just teach you all. Alright, so this art style basically has only two main light sources, either from the top or from the yeah, and by you can also add it from the bottom, but I don't really try that a lot. Like this is the only one I did from the bottom. Like this was the light source. Yeah, you get it. It's not really a common trend now. No matter how you do it, there's always going to be like that one, this shape over here. This is like a common theme, okay? Like this is going to define the face. The faces are like just circles. They're just circles, and the eyes, even better, they are just like little dots. Nothing too much about them. This art style is really simple, like, and should be kept to doodle. But if you want to switch to this art style, go ahead, man. It's awesome. I really like it, and I want to share it. The downside are like bones, cause well, a lot of these things are skeletons, like skeleton, something. All right. So as I was saying, you can go ahead now and add like a little hat on his head. Hats, we all know there are only two acceptable ways to draw hats. Number one is to draw it so comedically small to the point that it does not even fit the person's head. And number two is to draw it so large that it just encapsulates the entire head. Let's just go with the second one for now. Although you can go with the first one, that will look fairly good too. Like, look at this guy, man. Like, it's not comedically small, but look at this guy over here. Look at this guy. They all look pretty darn cool to me. Now, as I was saying, we can initiate this part, so we have this area even more defined, and add a little bit of shading to this side for fun effects. Now we can of course add the top side. Awesome, that looks amazing. Now we can add like the bottom side of the teeth. Oh, just look at him and say you don't want to hug him. You want to hug him, right? I know you want to hug him. Like who doesn't want to hug a skeleton guy who looks like this and offers you a lollipop? You know what? We are gonna stick with that. We are gonna make him offer us a lollipop, and we are gonna use this exact same hand for that. All right, let's just start off. I think I forgot my script. Wait, let me check for a minute. So I meant to say, let's continue. All right, as the script goes, this is like the neck, and then a circle for the body. Oh, just look at him, man. Like this art style is so damn simple. You can like do anything with it. The hands, they're all like really simple, simplified shapes. Awesome, right? Now here is my fresh and quick reminder to you all. You all can do anything with this art style. Go ahead, experiment. These are the experiments I did, and okay, that's not that. That's just me practicing random stuff. Wait, where's my practice, man? Where's my practice? So as I was saying, yeah, this is my practice. Like, just look at this art style. It's so cute. Of course, you can always like go ahead and refine this art style. Let me show you an artwork I did. Let me show you that artwork. So yeah, I found it, and just look at it. How good it looks when it's refined, right? Like the line art, that everything. It just looks so good, man. And so as you can see, but obviously it contains like all the basic concepts from that art style. See the skull, see the top down top bottom lighting system, like how this area is like in shadow, and this area and then this area like all lit and stuff. That's mostly because of the wand, but still you can see how the top down I still applied it somehow. But just look at it, man. Do you wanna hug that guy? Do you wanna hug that guy, you son of a? And of course you can just always go ahead and try other things like snowman. There's just so much you can do with this artwork that, oh, that's the previous thumbnail. Bro, I wanted to show you all something, but I just can't find it right now. Oh, the Glocktopus. God damn it, man. Where the hell did I leave it now? All right, I found it. Just look at him. Just look him go like. Ta-da. Don't you like that? Oh, practice studies. And that's pretty much it. I don't think I can add anything else to that. Like that's just pretty much damn it. Yep. So yeah. Also, just one more thing I wanna add by because it's like the end of the video. So I think you might want to do something. You know, there's something that you want to do, like something that you really like doing to all of your favorite YouTubers, like something that you really enjoy doing. I'm just saying something, just something. Alright, bye.